As a family, we're so proud of him. I genuinely think this is Troy's time. I think it's Ireland's time.
Up down to Troy, up to Troy.
Who's only one, Troy Parrott. Who's only one, Troy Parrott.
Very, very emotional. Crying, watching the game, crying at watching Troy's speech after the game. So it's just absolutely amazing. Everyone is buzzing. Everyone is buzzing.
What a striker. What a player. He should have got a chance there a while back. Didn't get his chances. Look at us now. We're in a playoff because of this man.
Troy is very proud. He's very proud of where he comes from. He's an inner city boy. He's always recognised that. He's never shied away from where he comes from.
It's brilliant. It's great to see everyone, the whole community coming together. It's absolutely amazing. Over one man.
Who's only one, Troy Parrott.
Absolutely unbelievable.
Delighted we are.
Get in, Troy.
Get in. Get in.
Feck Ronaldo.
Ireland needs this. Ireland needs this lift. It'd be like again in Italia 90, and we just need this lift, and Troy has done that. He has done that for everybody in the area. So thank you, Troy, and come on, Ireland. It just goes to show that when people in the inner city are given half a chance, how they can excel and exceed in life. And I think he's had great people in his corner, and if so many other people around would just give some of the people in the inner city a bit of a chance, amazing things could happen, honestly. And up Troy, up Ireland, and it's just amazing.